In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count items in Stack. We're diving into a neat piece of software called Stack that lets us create detailed counts of various elements in our projects. Whether you're an experienced user or new to Stack, you'll find this tutorial an easy guide to follow along with. To begin, you'll need to access the Stack login page. Once you're there, choose the option to log in with Google. This should be straightforward and save you some time by not having to remember another set of credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your list of projects. Click on the project you're currently working on. This will open up your project dashboard where you'll be doing most of your work today. The next step inside your project is to click on Plans and Takeoffs. This section is crucial as it contains all the floor plans and blueprints you might need for counting various items. Once inside, go ahead and click on the View option to load your plan in full view. This ensures that you've got a comprehensive view of what you're working with. It's like having your entire blueprint spread out before you, ready for you to annotate. Next, you'll want to click on New Takeoff. This action marks the beginning of your counting process in Stack. It's as if you're saying, okay, let's start tracking this particular element. Once there, select Count to specify that you're interested in counting items, rather than measuring dimensions or any other task. You'll need to provide a name for this takeoff. Let's say you're counting doors. Simply type in doors as the name. The system also allows you to customize and change symbols if that helps make your task clearer. For instance, you could assign a unique symbol to doors to distinguish them easily. After naming your takeoff, click on Create Takeoff to officially start it. Now click Start Measuring. This action is more like the green light to begin your counting process. You'll need to click on each of the elements you wish to count. Let's stick with doors. As you click each door, Stack keeps a tally for you. Continue clicking each door in your plan until you've marked all you wish to count. This might require a bit of attention to make sure you don't miss any. Remember, thoroughness at this stage ensures your count is accurate. Finally, once you've clicked on all the components you wanted to count, click Finish Measuring. This final action wraps up your counting session, ensuring that all the data is saved and placed as part of your project's records. And there you have it, a detailed breakdown of how to effectively count items in Stack. This process, though straightforward, is powerful for organizing and managing your project details down to the nitty-gritty. Happy counting?